Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an already verified Microsoft account so you avoid fresh phone prompts. Sign in, confirm your primary email, and add an alternate email if missing. Next, install and register the Microsoft Authenticator app and set it as a verification method. Once done, make sure your account's region and billing address match your profile. Discrepancies trigger extra verification. This first step reduces the chance Bing requests a phone because core verification is already satisfied. Now you replace a phone prompt with accepted alternatives. Enable Authenticator push notifications and complete a test sign-in to confirm it works. If you have a work or school account, link it for single sign-on. Organizations often already verified users. Also, run redemption and points activity from a device and browser you frequently use. Microsoft tracks known devices and lowers verification requirements. If a phone is still requested, try using the verified email's security codes before contacting support. Complete redemption through the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Choose the gift card or offer and follow on-screen steps. Authenticator or email codes will be used instead of a phone when configured properly. If you're blocked, open a support request detailing you cannot use a phone and provide screenshots of your verified methods. Finally, if things still fail, clear browser cache and cookies, try an incognito window, and retry from your known device. Keeping consistent activity patterns prevents repeated phone prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.